Okay, so that sticks with us. It's very important for that loop. It just helps with the shape altogether. And then just kind of pull those up. And then I'm going to end that right there. Okay, so that way it goes straight across. Okay, so there is that. Let's go ahead and pull this up a little bit. Just kind of even out these polygons a little bit more. All right, almost finished with this part. All right, so really quickly hold down Alt and just take this straight across. Actually pull these down over that ridge. Okay, just about finished. And we need another loop there. I just saw that that bridged all the way down here. So Control, click on that edge, right click, Control, Swift Loop, add a loop right there, and then right click, Control, PolyDraw Extend, and then extend it across. And then all we have to do is just start bridging down. And this should match up fairly close. Looks like we've got a triangle right here. I'm going to go ahead and actually retopologize this area right down here. So I'm going to go to Vertex Mode, Target Weld, and start welding these together. And what I really mean by that is just optimizing that. So I just turned this into a couple of triangles just to create that roundness there. Right click, Control, PolyDraw Extend, and just set some of these polygons. Start retopoing this a little bit more, just kind of setting up the topology a little bit better and making this relax a little bit. Okay, so this is looking good. We've got the side going here. Trying to get these polygons evened out a little bit more, giving them a little bit more purpose. Okay, so there is the front. All right, now really quickly, I'm just going to take these polygons and I'm going to go ahead and relax it a little bit. And let's go a little bit lower. Let's do something like 0.1. And actually, you know what? Let's do 0.25 on that. I think that's good. Okay. Now, if at any point you feel like it's getting a little bit away from that whenever you're using the relax, you can actually use a modifier called push to help out with that. So if I use push and I just start to bump that up a little bit, you see how it starts to add a little bit more mass. So the relax is kind of helping us to get the topology relaxed and straight lines and things like that, where push can actually bring our volume back, and that can be very helpful. So I'm going to go ahead and keep it like that, and then right click and convert it to editable poly just to kind of collapse that down. So there we've got our mass back. All right, so now what I want to do is I want to go ahead and finish out the rest of this. Okay, finish out the back. We're going to get a little lower poly across the back. You see we don't have quite as much going on here. So just to do this really quickly, let's go ahead and use PolyDraw. And I'm just going to try to do this one-to-one straight across on all of this. Okay. And let's add a loop here. I think that's just going to be better. And I'll take these points up, just kind of help relax that. And just continue on, just about finished here. Thank you for being so patient and working along with this. And, you know, with characters and things like that, things need to be done. Sometimes there's just no better way to do something than just hard work. Let's add in another point here, or another loop, and then go across there. Okay. And just about finished here. I know it's kind of hard to see some of these as we start looping those through.